Dog meat styrofoam head.
You must have video on that one.
Yeah, she's got video sound on that.
Yep. So I got my dad riding the lawnmower. Chessie's not afraid of it.
Wow.
If he attacks that, you owe me $5 for a new head.
Just try to pull his head. I think he could take a little damage.
That's my head shaper. It's also my severed head for when I go to the Fandemonium parties. He's a big hit.
It's okay.
Chicken.
Yes, you. You're not afraid, are you? Gwen, you were totally missing this.
Rin isn't answering her phone. Come here. It's okay.
Big chicken.
Hi, this is Mom. I'm either at home or I'm not. And if you would like to call me back, I'd appreciate it.
Yeah, you will or you won't.
Trying to figure out if you need a ride home. Bye.
Should I go look for her?